Okay, so I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I don't want you to feel left out. I want to say thank you. I do appreciate every one of you. 1,112 subscribers as of this day, March the 1st, as of this video. I want to thank each and every one of you. I want you to know how greatly I appreciate you because I could not have gotten this far without you being here. And to those of you who have been here for a year, thank you again. Thank you so much. I know this morning some of you saw that I had a video out regarding the memberships. Well, sometimes some things happen, and so that video went into the members only pool. But this video is for all of my subscribers. Just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate you. The thanks button is there. The one with the little heart. How do they do it? Like this? Yes, I see you too. And then there are the super chats and super stickers. And now there's even a membership with nice perks. I'm telling you, I have some things coming and special emojis. You want to see those? Go ahead, click on the join button and go ahead and become a member. You won't be sorry. I have a lot of information teachings that I'm going to be sharing. Some will be for members only, but some will be for all of my subscribers because each and every one matters, and each and every one is important. Super chats and super stickers, the funds are always used to go right back into the business to buy equipment. I do embroidery. There's sewing machine, well, I have the sewing machine, but there's threads and fabrics and all of the other stuff that you don't see behind the scenes that have to be purchased for those. So that's what I will use those funds for. And of course, from time to time, I will have some giveaways. Yes, I give away stuff, honey. Don't worry about it. It's coming. It's coming. If you missed the last one, I know it's been a little while, but if you missed the last one, you'll want to keep your eyes open and your ears open to see when that giveaway is going to be. So, if you don't mind, go ahead and click on the all bell notification bell so that you can be notified next time I upload a video. Don't miss out. And again, thank you. I appreciate you. Mwah. See you in the next video.